morning. Our quick tip for today in terms of, I know many of you will be having to adapt to home working, and one of the problems you've probably run across is the fact that your router, your Wi-Fi access point is at one part of the house. The best place for you to work is in a very different part of the house, and your Wi-Fi signal is struggling a bit. Even if your Wi-Fi signal is okay, you may find if doing video conferencing that the speed is just not up to scratch. It really struggles sometimes over Wi-Fi. So what I'd recommend is getting a plug-in system which works like this. It plugs into your mains socket and then it extends your wired network from your router. So you plug one wire at one main socket into your router where your router is, and then the other socket, it comes as a pair. You plug in where you're wanting to use your laptop, plug it in, plug the network cable into your laptop, and it gives you a wired network connection to the internet. You'll get much improved internet speeds. I'll put a link to this in our blog post, the link for which will be shared with this video. Another quick tip as well is you'll find that the internet's going to struggle a bit over the coming days because so many of us are going to be working from home. And one of the things, probably if you've got children from home, is they're going to be wanting to watch a video on YouTube, maybe watching streaming videos on TV. And of course that uses internet bandwidth. So if you've got a video conference call in particular, you're probably going to have to request a no use of video from anybody else in the house while that's going on. And perhaps if you're a couple both working from home, you'll have to schedule your conference calls around each other so you're not on conference calls at the same time. Hopefully that's useful. I'll share some more tips over the coming days for working from some technical things around working from home. Stay safe, everybody.